Hello, good day, and welcome back to another episode of the Business Media. In today's episode, I would like to share with you 3 tips and tricks of how you can go about to increase and grow your business online. This is specifically for entrepreneurs and business owners that actually sell products in South Africa. This video is very much for you. So for those that don't know me, I'm Bizniz, and I'm the owner and founder of the Business Media, where I help and consult small and medium-sized business to help them launch, grow, and scale their business online. And as mentioned in today's video, I'd like to just unpack, 3 quick kind of tips and tricks that you can implement for your business if you are looking to not only increase your customers and sales, but also to drive, orders for your business as well. And essentially that will then, allow you to grow and scale from a profit and revenue point of view as well. So looking at that from an online point of view is we'll kind of unpack, what are those 3 things that you could do as a business owner and entrepreneur if you are looking to sell more products in South Africa. So first thing I would start off with saying is that you should start looking at Facebook Marketplace as a sales channel. More and more people are still spending a lot of time on Facebook as a social media platform, but at the same time, those people are also searching for new products, new brands, or even just for a bargain. So if your products are suited within that space, it's a great way and a nice way to increase your product and brand awareness. See the response from the market, whether you are launching a new brand or a new product, and you're listed on Facebook Marketplace. Based on the responses, interaction, engagement that you get from the platform, you'll be able to see whether that product is viable to invest in, if the product has a need within the market, and if you are able to sell that product online as well. So that's something that I would do if I am not selling online as yet. Very much just to test and try out how your products will perform when you sell your products through a Facebook Marketplace. Second to that, I would look at launching and building and designing my own online e-commerce platform. So when we refer to online e-commerce platform, that is basically your store on the web. So in our case and for our clients, we utilize Shopify as that platform and channel. This will allow you to have your own online store, allow you to list your own products, list your inventory as well as your pricing. But at the same time, it also allows you to trade 24/7. An online store doesn't have trading hours such as a traditional retail store, but you are able to trade 24/7, 7 days a week, and 365 days within a year. That will allow your customers to shop at any given time, which is convenient and suited to their needs. But also with the Shopify online store, you are able to yet again see and acquire new market, find new customers and traffic for your business. But you're also able to grow your business with the right marketing and advertising channels, which we'll unpack in another video. But it really much in that sense of Shopify, you are then able now to sell your products to your own online store, which you have control over, and you are then able to grow and increase your business using that channel as well. But last but not least is looking at marketplace in South Africa. So this might be a very new thing to many people that sells online, but it's been around for a couple of years. And with that being said, marketplaces could be anything such as third-party marketplaces, whether it is the likes of Macro Marketplace, the likes of Leroy Merlin, Takealot as being the most popular one within South Africa, but also other new platforms that's coming up, such as the news of Amazon coming to South Africa, soon. So Marketplace allows you to list and sell your products on an existing platform, whereby you don't control the platform or website, but you are able to plug in your products and sell to that platform's customers. So from my research, I've noticed and seen that on average, these websites receive anything from 5 to 10 million users and customers per month. So you are able to expose your product and brand to a big audience, a big size of the market, and most times advertising and marketing on these platforms are managed by the platform themselves. some of these platforms also assist and manage warehousing and logistics. So in the sense of being able to deliver your products from their warehouse or from your warehouse to the end customer or end user. So it's really easier in that case, in the sense that you're able to plug in your product into existing platform that already has the platform built, already has customers, already talking to their customers already, but also the customers trust those platforms, as well. So with that being said, I know the cost kind of comes into play, but most of the marketplaces will operate on a commission basis, or some of them will have a monthly subscription fee and other handling and logistic fees, as well. But if you're looking to very much grow and scale your business online in South Africa, it's important that you plug your products into the right sales channel, which will again increase your brand and product awareness, but also invest in marketing and advertising, whereby you can drive increase your customer and traffic to your website, whether that is the marketplace, Facebook marketplace, or even your own online store. That will very much just increase your awareness and very much again potentially increase your orders and sales, because the online game is very much it's very much growing at this point in time. More and more customers are shopping online, and a lot more customers are trusting the online ecosystem and platform as well. But very much this will allow you as your business to expose your product and brand to this new market, access to their customers, but also to be able to sell your products on their platforms as well. But again, as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, is that if you are a small and medium business in Africa and you are looking to launch, grow and scale your business online, then I would ask that you either leave a comment down below, or feel free to drop me a DM on any of the social media channels and platforms, and I would like to set up a consultation call with you. I just want to understand where exactly your business is right now, what objectives and goals would you like to achieve and meet with your business, and what we'll be able to unpack is how exactly, what path and approach you should take that is suited for your business, because again, some businesses are looking to take baby steps, other businesses are looking to run and do things at quite a rapid speed. They're looking to scale and grow quickly, but other guys are comfortable with incremental growth in their business as well. But I think it's important that any business in Africa that does sell a product should be selling their products online through any of these channels that I've just mentioned, whether again it is Facebook Marketplace, or is your own online Shopify store, or it is utilizing the third-party marketplace platform as well. So I would like to kind of reach out to you to say, if you need help in that regard, or in that sense, let's set up some time and let's discuss how exactly we can actually help you in that regard. In terms of recent success and case studies, we have just been able to take one of our clients over the 500,000 mark online, and that client is really much selling products in South Africa, and with our help and our strategy and our consultation, we were able to help them grow and scale online. So yet again, if you're a small business in South Africa and you're looking to launch, grow and scale your business online, then I ask for you just to leave a comment down below, whether it's comment grow my business, or feel free to drop me a DM and we'll set up that consultation call, which is free of charge from this side. But again, thanks very much for joining in and watching us today. We appreciate and value your time. And again, if you haven't liked and subscribed our channel yet, we also ask you to like and subscribe to our channel. But again, from my side, Shane Bichner, thank you very, very much guys for tuning into another episode of the Bizniz Talk. Thanks.